Here's a little bluebird. Little bluebirds here. They come through here every year. We got some corn there on the ground for them. It's almost getting dark here. He's found the corn and seeds. There's the corn and seeds for him. Got another bird there too, a red bird. Cardinal. Feed him a little snack before dark, along with the little cardinal. They're getting filled up. There you go. There's your bluebird. Pretty bluebird. I forgot what I call that bird. I forgot the name of it. Offhand, we have them here every year. Sometimes there's 5 or 6 of them out there. There you go. He took off. There's your bird report for the night. He's gonna get him some more. He ain't leaving. Getting dark now. Alright, there he is.